How to format Google Sheets as table in Google Spreadsheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to format Google Sheets as table. So we've got this data over here that I want to format. It is the table. Then what you can do, before that you need to select the range. Here you can select different combinations like whichever you like and choose it. It looks like table, or you can also give it a border. Select entire range, and then here the border section you gotta give it a border like that one. That is how you can format data as table in Google Sheet. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did it, then hit the subscribe button to our YouTube channel. I'll be seeing you guys on next video. Until then, bye bye.